Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for joining. It's Darnell, and I am here with another video. This video is to show you guys this super amazing subscription box that I received. It's from Revolutionary Ratchet Creations, and it is so bomb. So I had to show you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the black and gold. So pretty. Okay, so it comes with this really cute thank you card and candle care and instructions. This is really nice, you guys. First things first, there's this candle. Let's just take it out of the wrapper. You guys, I can smell the candle from here and it's not even open. Isn't this gorgeous? This candle smells absolutely delicious. I love it. It reminds me of a really nice perfume, but not too strong, very subtle, pretty, feminine, roses. It's just, oh, this smells amazing. I cannot wait to light this candle, you guys. During my next bath time, this candle will get lit, okay? So this is called Golden Shea. Includes some coconut oil, shea butter, essential oil, and aloe. And this is like a natural body shimmer. Wow, this is very pretty. So I'm gonna try some on my skin. Oh, ladies, do you see this? Do you guys see this? The shimmer. OMG. I cannot wait to wear this outside, honey. Looking all sun-kissed and golden. Do you see that? And it feels so smooth. It feels so nice on the skin. I don't think you ladies understand. So I can't wait to put some of this like a little bit on my collarbone, just in those spots that you want to highlight, such as your shins when you're wearing your cute high heel sandals and pretty little dress. Oh, this is bomb. Okay, so we are a super fan of this right here. And this product is from Z Freedom. That's where this Golden Shea is from. So definitely check her out. She's on Instagram at zfreelove. I'll be sure to link all of the information in the description box down below as well. Oh my gosh, aren't these pretty? So these are soaps. Oh my gosh, I love them. You guys, I don't think you understand. Like, I love stuff like this. I really do. So first off, I love the way that they look. I love the colors. This one is Cherry Blossom, and it is a blend of sweet cherry scent, plant-based ingredients to provide moisture to the skin. And this one is Cucumber Cool from the Sea Moss collection. And it is a moisturizing fruit soap, and it's made with fresh fruit, moisturizing and skin soothing cucumber, and sea moss is featured in this skin loving bar. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use these. I'll definitely let you guys know what I think about them, but just from looks alone, I'm a super fan. I can't really smell them while they're in the plastic, but they just look like they smell really good. And these are from Abaya Naturals, handmade skin and hair products. So definitely check them out. I'll be sure to link their information in the description box as well. And the very amazing, cool thing that I love about these are that they actually provide you with the ingredients. Isn't that cool? You know how many times I receive like handmade stuff, but I don't know what's in it, and I feel bad that I have to ask. Like, I like that it's just there, for my reference. So that's really cool. So let's open up this next package. Oh, I love this bag. It's so cute. You're going to love this. Thank you so much for your order. Oh, this is cool. Oh my God. Do you guys see this? These earrings are bomb. Oh my gosh. You see the detailing on that? You see this? Y'all know I love my jewelry, especially the African inspired pieces. Oh my gosh. So these earrings are in the shape of Africa. These will look so pretty with an updo or my hair pulled back. Oh, I'm such a fan and I love this color. It's like a magenta, a mix between pink and purple or fuchsia. Oh, I'm such a fan. So these earrings came from Creations by Nsia. These are gorgeous. She makes some of the most beautiful pieces that I've worn here on my channel. Different earrings. You guys have seen them. Yeah, I love these. And next, oh wow, this is from Revolutionary Ratchet Creations. It says read, meditate, sage, twerk. That's what it says right here. I love that. So these are nice. I think these are the candle melts. I think that's what this is. I'm trying to open it. The scent for the wax tart is called Cuffing Season and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys can smell this through the screen. Just pop out one of the cubes and you let it just melt down and let the aroma just fill the room. This smells absolutely divine. It actually reminds me of something from my childhood. Like it kind of smells like candy, but it smells so good. Like I have such a huge smile on my face right now after smelling this. I can't wait to use this as well. And last but not least, there is this gorgeous journal, A Year of Magic with a Sprinkle of Ratchivity. Ah, I love that. Oh, I love this. Okay, so let's open it up and check it out. This also is from Revolutionary Ratchet Creations. Read, meditate, sage, twerk. This is the journal. Oh my gosh, you guys. Y'all don't understand. This is like so right up my alley. Checking out the full moon and I'm so in tune with the moon. So I love this. This is just, oh, this is amazing. And then for each month, it will give you like a self-care activity, the affirmations and manifestations. This book is divine. Oh, there's something else in here. Wait. This is a piece of Palo Santo wood. The wood actually smells really nice. It's relaxing to me. Oh my gosh, and a healing stone. You guys don't understand. I have my own little collection of healing stones. I love them. And they all serve their own purpose, which I really like. Is an amethyst crystal. You guys don't understand how much I love crystals. And amethyst is actually my favorite one. Isn't it pretty? And it's like purplish, which purple is one of my favorite colors. It's a royal color, so I'm a super fan. So this must be for one of the healing rituals to do. Okay, you guys, so Love is Revolutionary subscription boxes are full of Black girl magic. All of these items in each box are handmade by Black women artisans. These boxes will allow you to experience the creativity, power, and most importantly, the love of each artist. By subscribing to the Love is Revolutionary subscription boxes, you're supporting small Black-owned businesses and allowing them to live out their dreams and to fulfill their purpose. Each box will feature new and different items from artisans, so stay tuned for upcoming boxes. And make sure you subscribe. Each box will include 6 or more handmade items totaling a value of $85 to $100. Some boxes will include clothing, so please select an accurate shirt size. Love is Revolutionary subscription boxes are bi-monthly and shipped out on the 7th of every other month. This is one of the best subscription box services I've come across so far. This one right here gives you a little mix of everything, and that's what I really like, because in this box alone, it covers a little piece of beauty. There's the handcrafted earrings. Then there's the portion of self-care and really tuning into your goals and being held accountable for them within yourself by writing them down in this journal / planner. Girl, you can just change your whole vibration with this box alone, like hands down. This right here, I recommend this box. I am such a fan. I will be subscribing to the service so that I can receive my box every other month because I need something like this in my life. I don't know about you guys, but I highly recommend this. You see the quality in the box and in the items that are in the box. They did not fall short. There was no half stepping. This was put together with love and true intention and full thought, which I totally appreciate because you can't get that everywhere nowadays. And to experience this, it truly is like a life-changing thing. These are my true feelings about this box. I am so appreciative for it, and I can't wait to just continue to use every part of this box in my everyday routines. All of these things resonated with me truly and deeply, and I love it. You guys, I'll definitely link information as to where you can purchase this subscription box from and these products. If you all have enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up. Make sure you share this video with someone you think will find it very helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting. I truly do appreciate you. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.